Hello, gardening friends, and welcome back. When people think about USDA zones 3 through 6, they often picture freezing winters and snow-covered landscapes. But what surprises many gardeners is that these regions can also experience very hot, sunny summers, with temperatures climbing well above 90 degrees Fahrenheit and sometimes even reaching 100 degrees. That means your garden needs plants that can survive two completely different challenges: bitter cold in winter and scorching heat in summer. Fortunately, many hardy plants are built for exactly these conditions. In today's video, we'll explore beautiful flowers, reliable shrubs, strong trees, ornamental grasses, and productive vegetables that thrive in USDA zones 3 through 6, even during intense summer heat. Let's discover some of the toughest plants nature has to offer. USDA Hardiness Zones are based on the average lowest winter temperatures. Zone 3 experiences winter lows between -40 and -30 degrees Fahrenheit. Zone 4 ranges from -30 to -20. Zone 5 ranges from -20 to -10. Zone 6 ranges from -10 to 0 degrees. While these zones are famous for their cold winters, many locations also experience hot, dry summers with strong sunlight and periods of drought. The best plants for these climates have deep root systems, thick leaves, or natural drought resistance that allows them to flourish despite changing seasons. Part 1: Heat-tolerant perennial flowers. Let's begin with colorful flowers that return year after year. Purple coneflower. Coneflowers are among the toughest perennials available. They love full sun, tolerate drought once established, and bloom all summer with beautiful purple, pink, white, orange, or yellow flowers. Butterflies and bees visit them constantly, while birds enjoy their seed heads in autumn. Black-eyed Susan. These cheerful golden flowers bloom from midsummer until frost. They thrive in heat, poor soil, and dry conditions while producing bright color for months. They also attract many beneficial pollinators. Blanket flower. Blanket flowers produce brilliant red, orange, and yellow blooms that resemble miniature sunsets. They actually perform better in hot, dry weather than in cool, wet conditions. Their long blooming season makes them a favorite in sunny gardens. Russian sage. Despite its delicate appearance, Russian sage is incredibly tough. Its silver foliage reflects sunlight, helping it stay cool during extreme heat. The tall purple flower spikes attract bees and butterflies throughout summer. Yarrow. Yarrow produces clusters of white, yellow, pink, or red flowers. Its fern-like leaves lose very little moisture, making it exceptionally drought-resistant. Once established, it requires very little watering. Part 2: Heat-loving shrubs. Shrubs provide structure and beauty throughout the year. Potentilla. Potentilla is famous for blooming almost continuously from late spring until autumn. It tolerates heat, drought, poor soil, and freezing winters with ease. Ninebark. Ninebark is one of the toughest native shrubs available. Its colorful leaves stay attractive throughout summer, while its peeling bark creates winter interest. It handles both scorching summers and icy winters. Spira. Spira produces abundant clusters of pink or white flowers. After blooming, a light trimming often encourages fresh growth and sometimes another round of flowers. It's remarkably adaptable to different climates. Sumac. Although sometimes overlooked, ornamental sumacs are extremely hardy. They tolerate heat, drought, poor soil, road salt, and freezing temperatures. Their brilliant red fall color is spectacular. Part 3: Trees that handle heat and cold. Choosing the right tree provides shade for decades. Bur oak. Bur oak develops deep roots that allow it to survive long, dry periods. It's one of the most drought-resistant native oaks and thrives in zones 3 through 8. Hackberry. Hackberry trees tolerate urban pollution, heat, wind, drought, and cold. They provide food for birds while requiring very little maintenance. Honey locust. Honey locust offers light, filtered shade that allows grass and flowers to grow underneath. It's highly tolerant of heat and dry conditions. Kentucky coffee tree. This unusual native tree grows well even in difficult soils. Its large leaves create welcome shade during hot summers while remaining hardy through freezing winters. Part 4. Heat-tolerant ornamental grasses. Ornamental grasses add movement and texture to the landscape. Little blue stem. This native prairie grass thrives in blazing sunshine and dry soil. Its blue-green foliage turns copper and orange in autumn. Switchgrass. Switchgrass develops deep roots that make it extremely drought-tolerant. It also provides shelter for birds and beneficial insects. Feather reed grass. This upright grass produces tall, feathery plumes that tolerates heat and remain attractive throughout winter as well. It's one of the easiest ornamental grasses to grow. Part 5. Heat-tolerant vegetables. Many vegetables perform beautifully in these climates. Tomatoes flourish during warm summers when given plenty of sunshine. Peppers love heat and become more productive as temperatures rise. Bush beans grow quickly and continue producing for weeks. Summer squash develops rapidly during hot weather. Swiss chard tolerates both summer heat and cool autumn temperatures, providing harvests over a long season. Living in USDA zones 3 through 6 doesn't mean choosing between plants that survive winter or plants that tolerate summer heat. You can have both. By selecting hardy, drought-resistant species like coneflowers, blanket flowers, Russian sage, bur oak, switchgrass, and heat-loving vegetables, your garden can remain colorful, productive, and resilient through every season. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more gardening tips, and let me know in the comments which hardy plant is your favorite. Happy gardening, and we'll see you in the next video.